Baby, my mind's held back. I don't mean that how it sounded. Well, I'm not exactly grounded. See it on my face. I'm in outer space. But I'm orbiting around you, 'cause I'm just so glad I found you. My sunrise, my sunrise. If you agree, in front of my whole family tree, that it's me you know you're best with, I'm afraid to stress 1,000 eyes on our sunrise, our sun. Rise louder than the rumble of an earthquake, bolder than the waves out on the ocean, the sweetest potion, but vanishing as soon as we see. Lie back and simply be. See our beauty, sun the skies. I'm still me. I want to get down on one knee, but when something doesn't work right, like you make the slightest jerk right, I won't see the light you're shining, 'cause I'm bothered we are lining up. And I miss the sun. I miss it too. I miss our sunrise.